So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro software, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can remove the background noise from the audios which you added on the Premiere Pro software. It may be a voiceover audio or a music audio as well. If you want to make the video background noise clear, you can do this method which I'm gonna tell you in this video. So all you have to do is to simply open the Premiere Pro software and create a project. Currently I've made an untitled project and import the video and the audio want to add it. Currently I have added this music video, and if I drag it to the timeline, a sequence is created and you can see the music video is just right there. Now in order to make this video background noise free, you have to do is to just simply find an add effect option just there. You can see currently the effects option is there. If you won't able to find the effects option, you can it may be disabled, you can enable it by going to the window option and tick this mark effects. The window will appear right in front of you. When you go to the effects option, you will see an option of audio effects. Just simply click there and you can from here search the noise remover, or you can simply search the noise over there and you see an option of denoise. You can see just right there, it's a audio effect available in Premiere Pro. Just simply drag and drop this to your audio which you want to create a background noise free. When you drop it to there, you can see a denoise filter has been applied to this video. You can simply edit the parameters of this denoise by editing the curves over there, or simply just apply this to the timeline and it automatically deduct the best information of the audio and remove the background noise that has been generated in audio clip. You can if you want to make this to a custom level, you can edit the setup as well. So by this method you can remove the background noise of any of the audio you want to remove. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.